Alrighty guys, we're back again with another Parts Factory Australia install tutorial video. In today's video, we're doing the mass airflow sensor. You may be here because you might have a check engine light on, your car might be a bit spluttery or even stalling, and that's usually can be caused by your mass sensor. Hopefully you've narrowed it down to being that, and if you have, then this video is for you. So let's get stuck into this one, guys, and hope you enjoy. Alrighty guys, just come inside the engine bay here. Here's your mass sensor. What you got is you got your two Phillips head screws either side and a plug here. What you want to do, just pinch that and unclip that. Grab your Phillips, unscrew that, and you pull your mass sensor straight out. Grab your new one and we'll put that in. So yeah, I'll show you how to do that now. Go ahead, loosen them both up. Alrighty, once you've got those two screws out, go ahead, pull your mass sensor out, go grab your new one, and we'll chuck that one in. Alrighty, we've got our new mass sensor. Slide that straight back in, just like so. Go ahead, grab your two Phillips heads, tighten those ones up, install your plug, and you'll be good to go. Two Phillips heads are in, grab your plug. Make sure you hear that click, and yep, that's all job done. Alrighty guys, that's job done. Another simple install, it was less than 5 minutes. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you also enjoy these types of videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it a lot. And if you do want this part, you will find it linked in the description below. We've got free shipping all around Australia. Our parts are all backed by a 3-year warranty. And thanks again for watching this video, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.